All right. Oh, is it running? Oh. Hi. All right, so let's see if the lid fits now. I have to put it on this way. Yes. Drink the coffee. Hallelujah. Okay. Oh, the YouTube stream is on as well. Cool. Did they fix the thing that made it suck? I mean, there's other things that make it suck on YouTube, but that's nice, I guess. I guess that's fine. All right. Yeah, rookie mistake. Transcoding video on my server while streaming. It didn't like that. It didn't want to do that. So, all right, I'm gonna turn on my fan. It's hot. I think I'm also gonna open my Windows. Windows. I don't think that one still opens. You get that full SkyTrain surround sound. Hair out of my face. All right. Begin. I have to open the new YouTube chat. B-Hop mobile game coming soon to a studio, Roblox game. I don't know. No. I will probably make a Fly mobile game. Okay, I'm gonna publish the code back to the other one. Calculator B-Hop port. Which one? The TI-83? The core mechanics of B-Hop is succinct enough that you could probably actually do that, but not sure why you would want to. Has its name made it so that the times are sorted? I doubt it. I guess that's another thing we need. All right. Yes. Okay. So I have file. How to upload file? New file. All right. Well. Boop, boop. All right. New file. What? This file contains the secrets of the universe. Alright. And then he also sent me the prototype. So I can... Get, update, delete. Cool, 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 cool. And he said that the delete runs first. Wow! Dude, this is awesome. It's really cool that he made the full thing. It wasn't just half done. So like the data, it would be easier to make if it was only like one level data. Like I can explain. Allow me to explain. Okay, so right here. All right, so we have a table, right? And then this is all level 1 data, but then this is nested data. And then this is nested data. This is nested data. And so it would be easier just to make it all like level 1 data. But he made the full thing. So what I can do is I can, what if I want to change this number specifically? Well, I can go, I can tell the database, please change the number inside of here, inside of here, inside of here, inside of here to this. And then it'll like do that operation. And instead of like replacing the entire thing, just like re-uploading the whole thing, but with only this number changed, I can just send this update. Having the number 60 time load as world record would be kind of odd. I mean, okay, so it can't be like that, you're right. So I need to... wow. Okay, so I could sort it myself. No, we just wait for him to do it. So like in the SaveBot queue function here, I could go sort right here, and then it would be like microscopic a little bit better. I gotta sneeze. Okay. Those things are there. Now what? More coffee. Oh. Okay. I mean, it does make, yeah. So I think I boot. Okay, so I think I boot. Okay, so wow, is that real? Oh, is that one of these problems? Duh, I think I just do this, right? Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, it's right there. Okay, so the player joins. We gotta get their data. We gotta get player data. So what does the server do? It does map change. It doesn't do player join. I actually got to do it, don't I? Goddamn. Oh, it's back? Okay, good. Is okay. Golly. Okay. What the hell? It's encode. It's catching up. It's goddamn supposed to work. Is update today. There's a lot of work to do. All of the prerequisite work that's not up to me is done, and now it's up to me to do all the rest. And I could have conceivably done more of this work earlier, but I'm such a linear programmer that I fail to do that. I'm not good at that. Okay, so okay, what happens in the game? Okay, so it assumes it's going to get a player join response. Okay. What about the whole like map thing? So, okay, so this is a mess. Okay, when a player joins, it goes, "Wow, you've got time." But then when the map changes, it also goes, "Wow, you got time." So it must be memory leaking. Okay. Look at this. Oh my god. Yeah. That looks bad. Um Huh. Uh how do I fix that? Cuz like if I restart the streaming server, okay, that's really loud. Then the stream might go down for too long and the YouTube stream will restart again. But if I don't, then it's probably going to just keep crashing continuously. Oh, you know what I can do is I can just give it more RAM. Okay, resources, memory, add. Okay, what's the number? Okay, do I really need a calculator for this? Yes, I do. I just don't want to. All right, this is taking too long. All right. Oh, it's up. 1,024 times 24. I don't want to do it. What do you got? You're so slow. Oh my god. All right. Times 24. And it's done. Okay. We're gonna give it this much RAM. All right. There you go. You got more RAM now. Problem solved. Why are you giggling? Because I'm solving a problem in a way that in a bad way. Okay, so problem here. The time list is fetch when map is change. Time list also fetch when player is join. Which time list to use? Well, use map time list. Do not use player time list. Yes. Okay, I think it's gonna work. Here we go. Okay. Oh, maybe it never happens. That would be exciting. But we gotta do it anyways. Okay. Players response. What the? Okay, what do I do on the? It's a list. Yeah. Okay. I'm thinking that it just doesn't happen. Tweaking out the espresso, dude. I'm gonna get so much work done, dude. Look at all this coffee. I got this big old coffee cup. Okay, so how do you do a loop in Python? For player in player list. Right. Is that gonna work? Okay. Okay. We can just pretend that this makes any sense. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, so now there's something. Okay, what's going on? I need mystery data. Nobody knows. Okay, so I'm gonna go look at the actual request. There's probably gonna be more stuff, right? Wait, username. Python today. Lua one day, Python the next day. It doesn't matter to me. wonder if I can run the encode on the server. This is the thing that was running on the server. It's transcoding one of my stream VODs playing Apex Legends back in 2021, the 6th month of the year. Watch this. Alright, here's my server. Here's my server. It's using 23 gigabytes of RAM. Alright. Where's the thing that I just had up? There it is. Alright. So CPU usage about 10%. Right. That's running the live stream. Then I go like this. Ah! Now my server is doing that as well. I thought it was this, but I think it's just the RAM. We'll see if the stream crashes. Tell me if the stream crashes. It's almost done, okay? It's like 3:48. It's 3:39. There's 8 more minutes to go at like quarter speed, so it'll be like half an hour. This should make the RAM go down, but like it's not almost full, so it shouldn't really matter. Why do you encode on your PC? Oh, this isn't my PC. This is the server. This is a computer that's over there. I have a dedicated network cable going over to it. These are the 2 encodings that I'm doing on my PC. So I'm doing 3 encodings. One of them is on my server, 2 of them are on my PC. This is my CPU. You see, it's 95%. Yes, this is my computer. So, yeah. 90% 16 cores. Exactly. What's going on? Let me show you. It's really cool. Okay, I'll just do this. All right, look. This is my network file system. These are all my past stream VODs. Yeah, look. Can I like look at it? No, I can't. Okay. This is a 16 terabyte hard drive, and there's 2.5 terabytes of free space. What I'm doing is I'm turning these into AV1. So these are like H.264 HEVC. I'm transcoding them to AV1, and they go like half the size. So I'm saving space by running my CPU at 100%, 24/7. And now I'm also running my server CPU. It's fine, right? That is large. Yes, it is. I have another one. I have 2 16 terabyte hard drives, and one of them is almost full. It's my 3-year investment into self-storage. AV1 better than H.265? Much better, yes. It's like 30% better, approximately. Ugh. Okay, so this request... Maybe... So I could make it, well, that's, so I don't think that the database, I think it initializes the server before the player joins every time without fail. So coding this is probably a case that will like very rarely get hit. And so it could be the source of like rare bugs. Cause like I don't have the username. Okay, what happens? Should I? It shouldn't matter. Okay, so this. Okay, so username. Right? Oh, it's elif. Cringe Python. What do you talk? What do you mean? What do you mean? There's an error. There's. What are you talking about? What do you mean if? Unexpected indentation. Unexpected indentation. Oh, unexpected indentation. Help me. What do you mean? This is how you do this, right? Okay, where's something else that does the same thing? What? What incarnation? What did I? Is there like spaces or something? Is it elif needs to be indented? Oh, it's a. Okay, I see. What's the problem? You can't do that here. It's an exception. Try except. It doesn't have an else if. All right. Username in data and there we go. All right. So if the data specifies the username, so it's not a big deal if it doesn't update your username, okay? So that's not a big deal. I can ignore that for now, and then I can put that into the player join. Okay, let's look at all the data here now. We got 4 columns, and only 3 of them are relevant right now. Year. Okay. Can I like? How do I do this? Cringe. Haha. Oh no. Data. Wow. Okay. For user idea. User idea. Okay. Oh, it's like this, isn't it? What? Why is the other one? Oh, it's not. Wait, it is. Oh, it's a dictionary. Okay. Okay. So we got that. We got that. Okay. So it just leaves out the username, and that's totally fine. Player. How do you add something to a list? How do you do that? It's in here. Append. Okay. What even is a player response? It just okay. So there's the literal user. So that's a clue of which user it is. Can't you get the username from the Roblox server? I mean, there's ways, but not when you're fetching a list of 300 players. You have to fetch each username individually from the user ID, and so it's better to just store the usernames on the database and fill the usernames with the requests, so that when you ask for a leaderboard list of times and stuff, all the usernames are included with the list, and you don't have to fetch each one individually. Take the username. Yeah, so like if you change your this code right here is only relevant if you change your username. And like whatever. No one cares, okay? Like if it oh no, you joined a new server and it failed to update your username, and it'll do it the next time you join the server. Like, it doesn't matter. It literally just doesn't matter. Oh no, your username didn't update. Oh no. So I could add it. I could put a list of usernames into this request, but like whatever. If you change your name, the leaderboard won't update until you join again. No. This is basically code that doesn't happen. So if you join a new game or a VIP server and the server loads very slowly, and you join the game before the game has registered to the server list, the player join request will be grouped into the server creation request, and it'll run your player join thing as part of that request, and then it'll do that. And that's the failure case to update your username. If you join an existing game, it doesn't run this code, and it doesn't miss your username. Is this how this works? Does this do number? What does this do? What does this mean? Array. Okay, let's do a little googling. Python loop through array list. Oh, that's right. Iterate over list in Python. How do you iterate over list in Python? Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's literally just like that. Cool. Okay, you're done. I was able to extract the information before the ads popped up. You're right. I am bugging on the caffeine. All right. I'm gonna print this because, like, okay. Wow. Is there a doctor in this house? Let's do it. Wow. So if it doesn't error, it's all good, man. Okay. The bots are community made. What? Front end on the wiki instead of the Discord bot. Yeah, the Discord bot is made using a public API. So we have a public way to access the leaderboards, and then community members have made Discord bots using that API. All right, so now it'll run player joiner requester. Yeah. Yes. Okay, so it creates a server, changes the map, adds the players. That is the correct order. But what I can do... Oh my god. Okay, I can reduce the amount of data. Excuse me. Okay, so it doesn't need to add this data. Unless it's not. This is literally the tiniest case. Okay, what if I don't provide the map ID? That could work. So like if there's no map ID, then we already know that the yeah. All right, how do you add an element? Python create element indict. What the hell is this rating thing? Add new key. How do I add new? It's probably just this, isn't it? Awesome. Okay. Literal easiest answer ever. Okay. So, réponse. Wow. And then I literally just add it. Should I do it up here? I mean, it doesn't really matter, right? I don't know. Okay. Equals. No comma. No comment. Okay, and then... Sheesh. Okay, there we go. So if there's no map ID, it doesn't fetch your times. And then I can leave that out on the player join because the data is already included in the map change request. It fetches all of the times all at once for all players instead of one at a time for each player. But it does need to fetch each player's player data separately. So it still needs to run these requests, but it doesn't need to fetch the times. Yeah. 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 Okay, what's going on over here? It goes... The player joined. The player responses. Okay, so... Yeah, just like... Okay, that's not real. Sheesh. Okay, that should do it, right? What the hell was I thinking? Okay. Okay, so what's going on? Yeah, look. Okay. That was cringe. I cringed a little bit. All right. Looks like your work is going good. I got the caffeine flowing through my veins. Coffee monster. I turned coffee into code. Hoo! Huh? Huh? Is that real? Does that make any sense? Okay, what? Don't I need like all the data? Probably. Most sane Twitch user. No one likes you. Oh, he said more stuff. I didn't see that. Man's obese. Damn. Not really doing a good job there. What happened? I wasn't looking. Someone was saying things in the chat. Let's all talk about it. Okay, this is no. That doesn't. Okay. So, okay. So, do I really need to do this? Do I really need to do this? I don't think I need to do that. It handles it. It just handles it. Okay. Isn't that? I don't know. Um. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Releasing the feeling. Okay, so I say they join. I say. Okay, so should I make this as well when a user joins? I think that I should, and then replace it on the. All right, I'm just gonna make a function. Sheesh. Okay, it's right here. Sheesh. Okay. User idealist. Oh no! What the hell? Okay, so that was a thing. What? 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 Oh, I see. Right. Okay. Why is that like that? Why would you do that? Who did this? Register. Okay, so it just. Okay. A little bit cringe. It's okay. I think I put it here as well, though. User ID list. And then same deal. Oh, the player is leaving, but they're probably still in the server list. I mean, like, okay, what I'm worried about is if, like, what if there's random errors and, like, adding and removing players, like, what if it doesn't do it one time? It'll get, like, desynced and stuff, and then bad stuff. But, like, removing a player, fine. It can just do that. It doesn't need it. Multi-dimensional arrays. What do you mean? Just like array inside an array? Or do you mean like an array with like flat indices with multiple dimensions? Because I've done both, so. What you meaning? I need to get that player data. Where's the player data? Okay, so player joining makes a entire user ID list. Player leaving just deletes the player from the list. Cause like if I fetch the entire list again, it'll say that the player is still there. So like whatever. Yeah, nested array. Yeah, that doesn't really explain. Like there's two things. Like you could either have a x y equals whatever, or you could have a x plus y times x size. And okay, you probably mean this, don't you? Let's see. Oh my gosh! So timeline events, it's not, it's I guess it's technically multiple dimensional array, but like it's the event number and then the item in the event. So it's like not really it. What the hell? It's triple dimensional! Triple dimensional! Oh look, it's the bot diff. High score. Yeah, so there's like double indexing stuff, but like you eat. Okay, so it'll delete it. That's cool. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I can also do these. I can also go like if server ID in data, then grab it. So I don't think I need to do that. I don't think I care that much. Alright, we got a thingy-mabobber, and then we go like server stub. Wait, how does it work? Yes, okay. Update server ID equals data server ID. User ID list, right? Is that real? Equals data user ID list. We guarantee that this exists if this exists. Otherwise it'll error. Add user to server list. There. I did it. Sheesh. Okay. That was hard. Okay, so and then the opposite is true. Right. Okay, so I gotta it should be okay. It should be okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Remove user from server list. Server. Stub the update. I think I need to get it first. Sheesh, okay. So grab it, then if status servers oh, it's ID, isn't it? That was a close one. I almost died. Alright, how do you is there like a fancy Python remove element? There probably is, right? Python remove value from list. List remove. 9. Wow. Wow. Wow, that's impressive. Wow. I'm amazed. This is incredible. Okay. Is it ID? Is it user ID? Alright, it looks like it's a user ID. Dot user ID list. We just edit that. Just straight up edit it and then smash it back in. User ID list. Smash it back in. Okay. Is that okay to do? Okay, what happens if it doesn't exist? Who does it complain? What happened? Error list removed, not in list exception. Okay. Good. Shh. What? Huh? It's right there. What does this mean? Okay. Is this real syntax? It's probably not, isn't it? Alright, so don't, like, if it doesn't exist in the list, then, like, no one cares. It's not there. Server does not need update. What is this? Get. Oh, this is freaking pending. What the hell? Save player data. Add playtime to current map. Okay. I think it'll work. I think it'll work. I think it'll work. I am leaving server. Save player data. Okay, if I don't know, am I gonna call it literally player data? I gotta snooze. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like I'm gonna cache the all the like relevant data somewhere in the data somewhere, probably like right here. It's probably gonna be like, oh my gosh, the player joined, oh my gosh, and then it'll be like, oh my gosh, the player database response, oh my gosh, and it'll. Can I just like use this? Ooga, ooga, googa, 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 googa. Huh, huh, who? It says state, so like I can put state here. Who? Where? Okay, so it does. Yeah. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I can like keep it. It doesn't store that anywhere, right? I could like just throw it on the player object. I'd be like, all right, player object has an attribute for those. It doesn't need this. It just needs player added. I can just go like, and then okay, what about the maps? Alright, so I player join time. Should I update it when the map changes? It doesn't, it literally does not matter. But I can use one join. I can call it this. Player equals tig. So if I do it when the map changes, then I can update this and send off. Oh, should I have a separate player data management? Or statistics. It's statistics. Okay, so it's statistics. It's not really related. But it needs to know right here. It needs to know. What's happening? Problem solving? Am I sick? What is this? Why do I have these in different order? Huh? Which one is first? I think it's the order one is first. Wow. I wonder if the thing finished yet. Hey, it finished. It stopped encoding on the server. So that wasn't the reason why the stream was crashing. It's just because of the RAM. It's at the RAM is at 16.7 gigabytes now. Oh, that's that. What about this one? It's less? The memory usage went down. Why was it crashing? Huh? Huh? Okay. You have no memory leak. Isn't that great? That's such a English second language thing to say. There were no memory leaks. You have no memory leak. Oh my god, my hand. My computer hand. Okay. Okay, so the problem here is I need to get data from when the player joined to the player leaving a request. I need to like remember it on the server, then put it there. But I don't want to have like a piece of data for each different thing. I want to have like some sort of Okay, what if I do like statistics? Yeah. So if I have like some module called statistics, and then I do like statistic. But I could do that from statistics. The deal is player leaving. So it's because it needs to get into this request that I need to do it from here. True. I can put. Oh my gosh, this is smashing. I can put all this data in here. Okay, what about the register? Okay, it's the register is like it's not really the map changing. I don't know. So it's sort of a data compilation. It like produces instructions for updating player data. How long until release? There's no schedule. It's just whenever it's done. And the main blocker, number one blocker, is lifted now. It's all up to me now. What have you done? What do you need to do? What have I done? I waited for the Datastore API to be made by sname. He made it, and now I'm implementing the Datastore stuff, which is player data and equipment. I have to do a lot of work, but it should only take a couple days because I'm very motivated to do it. And I have a lot of coffee. Okay, player data, that's what I called it. I can call it player datas. Can you have a dictionary with integer keys? Does that work? Dictionary keys have to be strings, right? I don't know. Is it real? This works. Okay. So I could do that. I could have like player datas. I'm. It'd be nice to have the like the amount, the like join time and like amount of time you played, manage stuff, to be like a packaged module where all the code is in one place and everything is just passed through into that one place. And if I need to track more statistics, I just add it to there. I mean, okay. Okay. I don't really so okay, so if I receive instructions from Roblox and then I modify the instructions to include the statistics, it's annoying custom code, but I don't really see a way around that. Right, I call it instructions. I really like that name. Instructions. Give me your instructions. Player joined. Right, and then there's also like the join count and stuff. Like, do I really want to like hard code it into this? Huh. Wow, a player joined the game. Oh my gosh. Oh. We don't care. We do not care. We do not care. I can just print the user. Print it. But yeah. Okay. Wait. I mean, it's fine. Okay, so I add the time list to the response. If you have more than 300 times on a map, how? Custom styles. You using single script architecture. Do I look like I'm using a single script architecture? No. No. Okay, so this is a thing that builds instructions. It'll all should. Okay. Dislike. Before server registered. This code is somewhere else. It's in the server manager. It registers the server. And then it has the player list. What it should really have is the clear join instructions. Do I call this that anywhere else? Do I ever not build it? I don't know. I'm just gonna delete that. Okay, problem. This doesn't work. It's gonna build instructions for updating the data. Wait. Oh, I don't have to do that on the client. Oh, okay. Okay, so this can, okay. Nice. Okay, that solves that issue. I just don't know. Okay, so this one. So it should build instructions, and then the database adds to those instructions. Instructions. Does that make sense? When the map change, oh, what if it fails? Okay. Oh, I can keep track of it in there. Okay. I think it, okay, it can. For each user, it's like. It's not really that. It's like. It's kind of like user ID instructions. List. No, it's not a list. It's a dictionary. Okay. Do I literally just call it that and then just throw it around everywhere. Server manager. I don't know. And then in here, go like, does it guarantee it? I think it's guaranteed to exist, but it's not guaranteed to. Cool, I guess. Okay, so like the instructions can be empty? Does that make sense? There's no instructions, no need to send instructions, right? Okay, so I should have the same deal on the map change. Yes. Oui. What's on my clipboard? It's the same loop. Do I loop twice? Probably not. Okay. Yeah, because it needs to convert each one. Wow. Alright, so it's gonna be like right here. It's gonna be like default empty dictionary, but like would that run? I don't know. Cause like, yes. more. Coffee is still warm. Thanks, Trey, for the cup. Okay, so this is I don't know, man. Okay, okay, so I think there's no way. Huh. Yeah, no, that would be annoying to have increment fields. Uh-oh. Alright, I pitched my idea. Should I track how many times the individual player has played the map? Okay, this code being right here is cringe. If I'm really doing that, like... Ugh. Man, do I create an entire statistics... Smelly. Ew, smells like perfume. I guess I can just not do that. What if I have like open and close? So it like opens a session when you join the game, then it closes the session if the map changes and starts a new session. So a session includes is specific to player and map. So it's like a player map session. Interesting. And that generates a list of data obtaining instructions. But like there's both. Do you have another Roblox game besides B-Hub? Yes. It's called Surf. I also made this Area 51 game. You might remember that. Nobody plays it, but I did make it. The first game I made was... Ooh. That's convenient. So I talked to its name for about 3 seconds, and he's suggesting that I ignore statistics, and I don't track player join count, play time, map hours played, anything like that, and we have a separate statistics service. That is very convenient. So this would make it so that I wouldn't need to update the player data when the map changes at all. Yeah, so there would be no instructions for player joining. It would just be pure player data and no statistics. very convenient to have this as a separate service. So I don't know. Wow. Ooh, doggy. Huh. 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 Ooh, doggy. So, I mean, that's new code. So, basically, also fetch player data. Sheesh. Okay. So it's either here or here. It's double try accept. Lul. Wait. I can just do this, right? And then it's not a waste of a request. It just makes the data. I wonder if there's still error. We can just add it. It doesn't matter. Okay. So I'm just fudging the response because I have all the data already. Dude, it smells like perfume. It's disgusting. Forged. Forged. Gorged. Okay, so ear. Wow. Okay, and then there's the map data. Yes, and then there is the this is going to expedite the publishing of the update. What its name recommended. He recommended to not track any statistics, and we'll have a completely separate statistics service. So I won't need to have a bunch of like spaghetti code everywhere tracking statistics and like little fiddly numbers. Look at this. So I was gonna like re-implement all this weird wacky code, but nah. Oh, look. Okay, so I can actually remove it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this right here. I guess if there's more than 300 style times, it just doesn't fully populate the cache. Okay, so you can go somewhere. Okay. Should I just blast it all through? Probably. Okay. Okay, so I. Oh! I need to make it. Okay. That's okay. It's okay. Wait. Oh. Okay. Ow. Okay, everything just got better. Everything as in the statistics. Okay, so I'm gonna try harder. Sorry. So it's like literally the exact same thing as users. No, I can literally copy this code. Oh my god, I can literally copy this code. Oh my god. Yeah, so no, I can literally copy all this code. So what is else? Okay, if else is, okay, yeah, no, entire code, copy. Good. Should I put it up there? I think I should. Boom. So I just go wazoo. And then, yeah. And then I go here. Yeah. And then I change user into Datastore, kind of. There we go. Oh. Never mind. I'm gonna change this one first. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Times can go down here. Oh, I can. That's fantastic. Nice. All right. User. All right. All right. Now half of this doesn't make sense, but that's okay. Wait. Oh, I don't need that. User ID message. Oh, okay. No, this. Yeah, no, it just creates, and then it's good. There's no need. Okay. Create player data if it doesn't exist. Player data name is not a real thing. It doesn't matter if there's no else. We don't care about the else. Failed to create player data. Okay, so this. Oh, why didn't I copy that? Failed to create player data. So player data equals player data. Wow. Okay, so okay, what's the prototype? Show me. Get, update, delete. Wrong. Okay, how do you do this? Key. Okay. Key equals. It's player data dash user ID. Does Python autoconvert? Stir. So does it? Cool. That's actually nice. I prefer that. Because I like explicitness. Alright, so my biggest hatred about Python so far is that dictionaries don't store default values, and Python defines what those default values are. So 0 for integers and empty string for strings. It just stores nothing instead of the default value, and it's like implied to be the default value, so the data is lost if you put it into a dictionary. Worst, hands down worst Python feature. It's the twilight time. There's no such thing as create. Wait. Do we need to create? I think we don't need to create. Because, like, cool. Well, that's pretty cool. Okay, data. Okay, so it, okay, yeah. More coffee. Copy completed. Okay, this is still gonna be hard and take a bit of time. Okay, well, there's the player data fetch when the player join game. And then the statistics has nothing, the dick has nothing to do with the player data, map data. That's a dad move. My dad does that. Learn that from dad. Can't Python talk to websites HTML? Epic message. Well, here's some HTML. I'm using requests. Get. Yeah. But it's not not an HTML. Can't Python talk to websites HTML? I'm sorry, that's really funny. With bots. But bots don't exist. Times. Did you fix it? Okay. Mm-hmm. No need. Okay. No need. This is... Yeah. Wow. Want to make a GPS game on Roblox. I don't think Roblox would like that. The mic looks like it's in your line of sight all the time. That's true. It is. Before I got this, here, we're gonna go talking mode. Before I got the microphone, I thought, oh man, it's gonna be annoying having a microphone in my face all the time. I'm gonna wanna like shove it away. Oh, get out of my face! But actually, it's the opposite. I love the microphone. I love the like ideas it puts in my head of me sounding great, and it's my streaming friend, and like when I'm streaming, I'll often like put my face up against the microphone and stuff. It's a nice presence, like just totally the opposite of what I thought. I love what it represents. It represents high quality. Thanks for the response. Are you asking a good question? You ask? I had something to say about your comment. What game are you making? B-Hop. This game. Well, join the game for a second. Oh my god, there's so many people playing it. There's like 20 people in the... Okay, there's 18, but you know. There's like 20 people just in the dev game. Can you show us what you have made so far? A lot. I've been working on this for a year and a half. Alright, so I'm gonna pause my CPU transcodings. This is my CPU right now. It's doing work. It's 96% in usage. So I'm gonna pause these so I can play the game. I don't really need all my CPU. Yeah, so you see the CPU is not as used anymore, 7%. Alright, so now I can play the game smoothly. Here is the game. So this is surfing physics. So I wrote my own physics engine, again, from scratch. And it's done. What still needs to be completed is saving player data. So like mouse sensitivity, it says your sensitivity is 0.3. If I do sensitivity 0.6 and then it turns faster, sends to, it turns faster, it doesn't save right now. So I need to make it save. That's what I'm working on. Again? Do you ever surf in CSGO? Nope. No reason to when I just can play my own game. I don't even play surf. I'm more of a B-hopper myself. How do you go faster? Do you have to like die twice? Faster. I don't know how to go faster. I've been watching you for so long, Mia. Beep! Your vids. I destroyed Fly. Alright, I'll destroy you. Your Fly, I mean. Wait. Fly? There we go. Alright, we're gonna go this way. That's not the route, Quat. Quat, that's not the route. You have to go a different way. Do it like me. Is there like a trigger skip? I get 20 mils. Oh, nice. Okay. Let's see. Hit. This is why you didn't get world record yesterday. Huh? Okay, I think I go up here. Here. Let's go. Would you ever sell this game? It's a passion project. I didn't beat my time by 1 millisecond. Okay, it's gotta be right here. Alright, maybe this will work. Cool. I got a few milliseconds. So he's going that way. Damn, that is not a big time save. Let's try it. Okay, yeah, no, that's gonna work. Cool. I love surfing. The fly style is so much fun. Wow, I love playing surf. Rocket's hard. It is really hard. It's literally a raw jetpack. Second place. Who's got first place? He's got 1 millisecond on me. I'm coming for you. Alright, I'm thinking more like this. Yeah, maybe. Ooh! Ooh, that's close. Oh. 1 millisecond! Oh, that was bad. I fat fingered a key. Oof. I wonder if I just go straight. Ooh. I might get a millisecond. I don't know. Boy, I love flying. Okay. Oh, I got a millisecond. I tied. All right, this is totally beatable. I'm an expert fly style player. No one is better. I'm the best W key holder that goes in a straight line. Got you. Got a millisecond. Your move, Gamer Boss 1923. You don't have to do that anymore. You can just go straight out of the start zone, and it'll start your time perfectly. Like, look at this. If I fly through the start zone, it resets the timer and then starts it the instant I leave. So it perfectly starts the timer. The sub tick you leave the start zone, so it's always perfect, which is nice. I mean, as long as I could continue to use my own code, I'd probably be good with like $1 million. That'd probably be what it would take to sell the game. But like, no one's gonna pay that for this. $1 million. $1 million. A million would be 500 years? Exactly. Alright, back to work. Update soon? Hopefully, yeah. All of the blockers that don't rely on me are done! I can do things. Okay, so this is join. No, this is player leave. What's going on? 7 not exist. Okay. Okay. We do this. Okay. Okay, and then update equals data, player data. Is it optional? Looks like it. Updates. Cool. Deletes. I'll do that. Sheesh. Wow. Wow! There we go. Okay, so that saves player data when player leave. That's amazing. Oh my gosh. And then it gets player data when the player joins. Mind blown. Player joins? Get player data? What? Am I missing something, or can you code in Python now? The missing piece is that this isn't running on Roblox. This is the database code that my code interfaces with. So there is an internal database API, and this code is interacting with the internal API, and then my code interacts with this code. So it's like chain of it's a really excellent design. I'm really digging the design. It's it provides a lot of freedom for me to modify the way things work and group requests, make things better and more compact, more data efficient, more do more in one request. Like instead of like for example, when you get a time, when you beat the map, in the old game it goes database, did this player already complete the map? Actually, it didn't do that. It just checked its cache to see if you had already beat the map. And then, okay, so maybe without this architecture, it'd be like, database, did this player complete the map? Yes. Is it better than the existing time? Yes. All right, upload the time. And so it has to do it has to do multiple back and forths with a database to like while it's doing logic in order to do that. But now I have just one request called times.new, and it has all the information needed. It checks if there's an existing time. It checks to see, did you beat the time? And then it uploads or updates the new time and does like all sorts of other stuff as well, like makes a bot or deletes the old bot, creates a new, but like it just does everything at once in one request. So yeah. Will this update erase all current player data? I am planning on doing that, yes. I'm not planning on porting the old player data in. Because like for the amount of time played and stuff, first of all, it's not stored per game. So like it's just total bhub and surf playtime. I'm going to start the update without any statistics whatsoever, and then we'll add a statistics service later. How did you learn all of this? Lots of time and trying. Okay, so when the player joins, it gets the player data. When the player leaves, it sets the player data. Everything fantastic. That should be everything. Yeah. What's this? Leaving, return nothing. Wow. 0.09. You beat my fly record on surf I do not know. And the new update will be where performance will be more dependent on ping. Absolutely not. It's I was able to resolve that issue. You can still experience problems, but it's all problems are bugs. It's not supposed to be dependent on ping. FPS dependent. Yeah, it's the input and physics precision makes it very FPS sensitive. If Roblox had a separate input system that ran at a higher polling rate than your frame rate, then there would be no FPS dependence. It would be able to pull the input. That's what it's sensitive about, is the input sample rate. So in Roblox, the input sample rate is locked to the FPS, which is bad. Bad design. It's not very bad, but it's bad. Okay. That sums up the database side. I should be able to. I'll probably. Okay, so, no statistics. No. All right, let's see what. Okay, I have this stuff. We're not gonna have any of that. None of that. None of that. Statistics? Nah. Nah, 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 nah. Sheesh. Réponse. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Wow. 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 No. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. Also do not need this. I don't know why this was backwards from each other. Okay, so let's check the code. Oh, check the code, you say? Okay, this is not needed. We do not need to do this. We do not need to do this. Okay, the game doesn't respect this. I think it used to, though. For whatever reason, it doesn't. Just like with moving blocks. Oh, you're talking about that ping sensitive? Those will be bad until I update all the maps. I'm gonna go through all the maps. If someone can make a list of all maps with moving parts, that would be great. I would prefer to keep them out of the update until I update all of them. I'd prefer to like reduce the number of maps in the, or not reduce the number. I don't want to do that. Although I do want to do that later. Have like all the maps filtered and re-voted on and like added into the game fresh based on how high quality they are. We'll do that later. I would like to leave out the maps with moving parts until I update all of them to use the new moving parts system. So if someone can make a list of all maps with moving parts, that would help me to do that. Both surf and b-hop. Does animated objects count? If you can't touch it, then no, it doesn't matter. Color changing blocks? No. If it doesn't change the physics response, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I've got a little bit of changes here. Just small changes. This is a little fix. Let's look at persistent data on the server. Okay, so this is for loading the data. Uh-huh. Who sets the keys? Okay, I gotta think about this. So I gotta set up settings, profiles, and stuff. So that should probably be done in player settings. Player manager. Oh no, there it is. Okay. So it should go like when the data loaded. Yes. This new. Are FPS unlockers allowed? Is there more than one? I literally can't play the game without it. It's disgusting to play without it. I can't believe Roblox hasn't unlocked the FPS yet. It's crazy. Like, all I need to do is make a setting that's default off and then done. And then the games where it's compatible, like literally my game is unplayable without it for me. Okay, so So all I need to do in here is yeah, no, I have it. So should I include instructions? Okay, so like, okay, get data, close, I don't know. Because like this is the same thing. Where is it? Right here. Player removing. I see. So it's supposed to do it after.
That's okay.
Should I do this and then this? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, player data. Do I really need to put it in here? I don't know. Finalize. What is it? What should I call it? Like, I don't know. I don't know. Do I even have database in here? I literally don't. Do I even want it? I only have server state. That doesn't really sound like player data. Uh, okay, what's going on in the monitor data class? Does it know what happened? No, it just does stuff. Like, it's fine. I just literally monitored the whole thing, and then everything's fine. Alright, so I just go like instructions equals this. And then I do Nobody cares. Oh my gosh, I sure love. Okay, we're gonna. This functions anyways. It can be a global function actually. Alright, so we just go like this. What is this song called? Lowdown Shack Attack. I'm listening to the entire Shack Attack discography. Well, not the entire thing. I deleted a bunch of the music that I didn't like. I don't want to listen to that. Bro, I don't know. What would I call this damn variable? Whatever. Alright, and then the literal exact same thing. Except this is this. Alright, well that's pretty cringe, but nobody cares. That's a sheesh moment right there. I need another index. What are you using for Roblox on Linux? One second. Okay. It's called grape juice, and you install it, and then everything works. That's it. You can just you can also you can just press this button and click save changes, and Roblox FPS Unlocker is there as well. It's literally better than Windows because it automatically starts FPS Unlocker. You don't need to start it yourself. British functions, init function. Init, right? 18, wow. That was disgusting. Oof. Ooh! I beat my time. Alright. I'm gonna turn on the encodings again. Because, like, I like it. What do we get out of it? What do we get out of it? What do we get out? When will we benefit from the work that you have done? What do I have to gain? Okay, so the game, the global key is just global, but the game. All right, I think I gotta. Do I have that here? No. Place ID. Ah. I guess. Why do people watch the stream on YouTube? Because they don't know about Twitch. Okay, so I can build this later. I think I'm gonna build it later. Oh dear. So I think I go back. I think I'll store separate instructions on each data and then build the other instructions off of those instructions. Instead of doing it like that. All right. All right. All right, and then instead of that, instead of having a category, it just does it like this, and that's cleaner up here. Mm-hmm. And then I don't need these garbages. And I can just do dot dot dot. Boom. And it's wrong. Awesome. Game global profile. Game global profile. How about that? Neat, neat, neat. Okay, so now I have to build the Alright. I don't know how to do that, so. Okay, yeah, that works. And then now we have the instructions, and then we can build instructions. Oh, no, I need the full player data, actually. Assembler coder? No, no. Don't make me look better than I am. Feel free to make me look better than I am. Okay, so with the grab this, yahaya wow shuba shuba bee boo yable. So build or dump? How about both? Okay, so Okay, so the oh, I can use the same, right? Well, that's pretty cool. Right. I should right. Okay, so. Real. And then same thing here. Okay, that should help. Cool. Okay. Physically altered logic gates. Logic gates is not the sort of lowest level, believe it or not. It's a convenience. There's a even lower level, and that is the circuitry itself. You need like a considerable, a non-negligible amount of circuitry to create the logic gates. Is an AI developed by Roblox devs. The lowest level, transistors. The transistors themselves. You need multiple transistors to implement like OR and NOT. The transistors themselves. Okay, so yeah. Oh my god, oh my god. Alright, so delete. I probably want delete. So instead of doing this, wow, complicated coding. But like right here I need to go like okay, it's going to be called persistent data, not player data. I mean, should I call it? I don't know. So like this. And then like that. All right, so this is like the entire cleanup process. I might just externalize it. I don't know. Sheesh, okay. Stop! Okay. Okay, but then what about like, oh, okay. I guess. That's fine. It's fine. God. Okay, I'm stuck because I changed the name to persistent data. But like it's player data. I think I keep I don't know. Bro. I do like this system I've come up with, but it's gonna be this code is gonna be annoying. Hey. Rah rah rah. Hey. Okay, so okay, we got the instructions. Amazing. Everyone loves it. Awesome. Okay. Now we need to make the real instructions. Okay, I could do it in this guy. Or I could not. I could do just key value. Well, no, I actually can't. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, no, this has to be a separate function. It's special purpose. This one is like simple, keep it simple. The other one is like nested, keep it nested. How do I do this? So I don't need this logic, because I already know updates and deletes, so I can just like go. I think I can make another. Notice it's not plural. Can't code. Look at me typing! Look at me typing! Okay. That should do it. So we start with either updates or deletes. That's the instruction. And then sublists. Like this. And then I think that will work. Okay. I think it'll work. I think it'll work. Okay, so... So we got those, and then... for key value in... It doesn't need to be fast. We'll just do the old way. Okay, so we need next select. Nest. Nexy. Shh. Cool. Dot game dot delete. Okay. Sublist helper deletes key value game capital G and then place ID. Everyone's happy. All right. Indeed. So game, how is it ordered? Game global profile. Global. So global is just global, and then profile. We can check. Could you check? We can grab the game data profile like that. Game data profile. Everyone's very pleased with that. Yep. That is like actually extremely clean. Sheesh! What an idea. Okay. Okay, and then we do... Nice. I am a very good programmer. This is excellent. Goddamn. Oh, did I call it like datas or something dumb? Yeah, game datas. Profile datas. Global data. Who cares? Should I call it like games? Loaded game data, persistent data that game datas. Like that. Alright, so I have messed up the order here.